I turned this messy closet into this gaming setup, and today I'm gonna show you how I did it. Hit the like button and let's start. First, I need to figure out where to store all the stuff and clothes. For this, I found a $100 wardrobe in IKEA. So let's get it. The wardrobe is secured, and I also got table legs with tabletop from the discount area. The next day I spent building wardrobe with my buddy. It is actually pretty good quality for $100 and it fits well in the corner of the room. I can finally move the stuff from the closet. Here's how it looks empty, actually more spacious than I expected. The paint, let's just say, seen better days, but painting is not in our budget today, so I just cleaned it as much as I could. Now let's install some light. I ordered an RGB strip from Amazon and I'm installing it in these gaps. The strip has a sticky backside, so it was pretty easy. And now we have a nice backlight that adds to the setup. The tabletop that I got from the discounted area has some dent, but since it is going to be covered with a mouse pad, I don't care. I placed it on the table frame and it fits great. There is a gap on the sides, but I was not planning for ideal fit anyway. Plus those gaps can be useful for cable management. I aligned the tabletop with the frame and used 2-inch screws with washers to secure. Now let's do the setup. I ordered a power strip with a long cord from Amazon. There goes my PC, monitor. I decided to use only one monitor because every time I hook up second monitor I don't really use it and it's just displaying my wallpaper. I don't know, let me know if you have the same. I also got a big mouse pad for $15. For that price it has a really nice print quality and colors. I used one before in different colors for a previous setup and it was pretty durable. Also updated my mouse to Razer DeathAdder V2X. I used to have Razer DeathAdder Essential and that's where I fell in love with this design. This is basically the same mouse but wireless and with a better sensor. The setup is coming together. The last thing I decided to add is a ceiling fan. I found this USB one on Amazon and it is going to create some ventilation, so it's nice even after a long gaming session. It has a remote control and the fan is surprisingly quiet even on highest speed. The setup is done and honestly it is better than I expected. Let me know how would you rate this setup in the comments below. And one more thing, we have finally hit 1000 subscribers, which is huge. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. So to celebrate, I'm giving away an Intel i3 12100F, which is one of the best budget CPUs right now. I built a PC with it in this video, you can check it out. I'll select the winner randomly in the next video. To participate, you have to be subscribed to this channel and leave a like with a comment on this video. Wish you luck and I'll see you in another video.